mentioned yung sa ano nyo po, sa kanina nga po sa report nyo na you have more thousands of families served during dun sa mga bagyo na nagdaan and then dun sa Southwest Monsoon. And then for the month of August, may 2,800 families. And of course, ma'am, you mentioned, I think a month ago, na may parang 903 million pesos po yung budget for next year na in-increase po ng DBM for OVP. Do you think, ma'am, na yung budget na yun, yung 903 million pesos would be enough to sustain your current set of programs, ito nga yung disaster preparedness, relief operations, and then yung magnegosyo taday, you mentioned yung marami pa kayong parang inaengganyo din po na mag-participate din po dito sa programa na ito. Do you think, ma'am, na yung 903 million pesos na budget nyo po for next year would be enough to sustain all these programs?
Yes, thank you, Dempsey. The budget, the 903 million pesos budget of the Office of the Vice President is allocated already per program. So if you're asking about disaster operations, we have actually from 30,250,000 in 2025, we have increased it to 56,620 pesos. Of course, this will necessarily include inflation, and then the additional personnel that we will need to complete a bigger project. Kasama na yan, kaya meron tayong increase na 26 million. And then for, what was your other program? Magnegosyo Taday? Okay. Magnegosyo Taday, I think we're going to have the same budget as last year. So, wait, hold on. Magnegosyo Taday, I cannot find it here. We'll get back to you on the amount, but parang my recollection is it's the same as last year. Iaano lang natin, pagkakasyahin natin ulit kung ano yung makakayang programa for until the 12th month, until December, but we also accept assistance from the private sector. So kung meron mga nagbibigay, we document them properly, and then we, of course, with all gratitude, natutulungan nila ang Office of the Vice President na makatulong sa mas maraming beneficiaryo. Okay.
Of course, magkaka-budget season na kasi.
Yes.
Of course, considering yung medyo not so good relations na nga with the House and with the Congress, what if lang naman, ma'am? What if lang na halimbawa House or Senate or the BICAM decides to slash the budget yung 900 million to, halimbawa bawasan na ng 200 million ulit, I mean, would that still be enough? Halimbawa 700 million na lang yung matira sa budget nyo. Do you think na enough pa rin ba siya para mapagkasya sa mga programa nakaline sa inyo for this?
Well, the Office of the Vice President is ready for any eventuality. So kung babawasan nila or ibabalik nila sa 733 million for 2025, we cannot do anything, but we will proceed. We will still pursue the programs that we already have. So on Magnegosyo Taday, Dempsey, just to give you an answer, yes, I'm correct. It was the same 39.6 million for 2026. Yeah.